welcome to Business Central Journals, show more or fewer columns. So what we can do in the journals, be it the purchase journal, the general journal or most other journals, is you can either have it in a more complex mode where you've got lots of columns and a huge amount of control like we've got on the screen here currently, or you can have a mode where there's fewer columns and you can work a document at a time. So here we can see that we can have multiple document numbers within here, and we can edit the account number, the account type, the balancing account type. We can add in all of the different kinds of posting groups, huge amounts of control within here along with different posting dates. So this is by far the most flexible method. But some users may be more used to seeing just a simple credits and debits for a single document number screen instead. So what you can do is you can click on page and click show fewer columns. In fewer columns, you have your document number up at the top, so you can only process one document number at a time and only one posting date at a time, and they all have to be in the same currency code. But here is a more traditional kind of debits and credits layout where you've got your account number, your account name, your description, the debit amount, the credit amount, and your total balancing figure down at the bottom. So if you want to do some rapid, simple journal entry, then you may find it easier to show fewer columns and handle it a document at a time. Then you can obviously preview, print that document, save it as a PDF, and do whatever it is you normally do with it. But if you want far more control and you're used to working with more complex journals, then you can click page and show more columns, and you get a much more detailed layout with more flexibility. But it's great to have both options available to you and for different users depending on their data method preferences.